G'day, here's a couple of examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. And the white that you can see is a reflection from the lights above. The first piece, some of this brown I think will probably grind off. Nice play of colour along the lines this way. A bit of red sort of tinge in the middle there. Second piece, again, grind the top off. And this is the better bit of the trio. It's got some nice colour. Reds and golds. Don't know if the camera's picking it up there. Getting the red there, I can see. Very fine sparkles. And basically that's the stone there. I hope you enjoyed. Cheers.